going to say action.
And action.
The last couple of days, it's been somewhat life-changing. I don't want to exaggerate over it.
Believe me, I'm a W amputee, and nothing's like this foot.
This is just like having two regular feet. I mean, I forget that I have a prosthesis on.
I've tried many different feet. And this foot that I am wearing right now, the Quintera, is the best foot that I have ever worn. The other ones now seem like I'm walking with like a brick.
I was skeptical at the beginning because of, I'm thinking, yeah, hydraulic foot, how smooth could it be or what? But I mean, the smoothness really impressed me.
It only took like a couple minutes even just to start walking and feeling very comfortable in it. I never had that experience before.
When I was in the office with my prosthesis and put it on and I took 2 steps, I could tell a difference right away.
It's like it's part of you. You're not scared. You can actually bend over and close your eyes and not stumble. It's amazing, that's all I can say.
Getting up and down and in and out of a chair or up and down off a couch or a stool, the fact that you have an ankle that you can bend allows more natural, smooth movement. You feel like a regular person. You don't feel like you're physically handicapped in any way.
I am just so happy that all the people behind the scenes had enough thoughtfulness to think about people like me.
This is going to be a life-changing thing for me, this foot. It's going to change my life.